And a hardcore communal, I don't think I have met any communal person. Honestly, I'm talking this. And he asked me, you think I'm communal? What do you think? I've written to you, man. All your attitudes are communal. Where will they go? Who's not with us, forget them. The rest will be with us. I campaigned his whole election, Lok Sabha election. I've seen what he has done. I don't want to go into that. Ashish Kamath was told not to take the press conference. I've got documents. Consult LOP and consult Gundu Rao. On casinos. I told Ashish Kamath, write to him and send me a copy. Or you are a part of it. Don't play with me. And Ashish Kamath wrote to them, with a copy to me, that you are not permitting us to speak against the casinos. Explain to us. What is it? So, is this not fixing? You want to bring the BJP to power again? Bring it. Tell us that. You think by kicking me out, I'm going to leave the BJP? I was being questioned why I'm silent all this time. Now I am pointing out to you, there are so many media persons. Show me. Where they are before the press. Because nobody wants to talk the way they want us to talk. Some are interested in tickets. So they are still waiting there. I have declared in 2017, I will not be in electoral politics. By the grace of God, till today I have maintained it. And I am not interested with these fellows. So, Ashish Kamath wrote to them and sent me a copy. I will give you those letters. So in short, this expulsion is to silence the truth. I will not. I will not, wherever I may be. I know that the media trust me and the people of God trust me what I speak. It's there for the people of God to judge. Yesterday, a video of our chairman. Even a thief will not get so nervous. When the thief is caught, when the lock is being opened, broken open, he is now saying, I had not gone to break the lock. I had gone to see whether the locks are safe. See his face here, see his body language. And what I am trying to draw to a conclusion is the party president says that he had to send him to an strategist. He sent him. What is the strategy? To go and do the deal and then collect the money. Somebody told me in the body, no, he does the deal. I said, no, you don't know him. He does the deal through everybody, puts those people in trouble and he collects the money. Zuari Nagar is the case. He was pointing out to the person who is his best friend that he is in charge and he did it and I will expose him. I have written this, it's not, I'm not making charges. Give them the letters, all the three. Read them. And we are in July. How much you want me to cover up? And now they know that everything is getting exploded. And Gundu Rao, poor fellow, was sacked for corruption. He is now telling them to remove me for what? That is pride. And there's such a confusion that he is written that, this fellow who's made organizing something, he is made to organize all collections. When he got the Fatorda ticket, go and see the worst. Any time, nobody got so less votes in Fatorda when Fatorda was supposed to be the Congress bastion at that point of time. Got the least, collected the money and sat at home. When the inquiry was shaking, she could gayab. So what do you want? How you run this function? I asked him what is this. He wants to keep all this fellows because without them how you do the collection? I will not do it for him. There are three demands. If they are, Reginald should explain, the chairman, how is he occupying that office? What made him go back on his public averments that he is swindling funds and I will not step that office till he is the president? He has to explain that. Yesterday, Fadnavis has explained that he didn't meet me, he met Sawant. He himself said, I went to meet strategists. First he said on the video, he said, he was running away. See that prudent video. He was running away. Then he came back and said, I had gone for dinner. Now he's got strategy. What are cheating people? They are all fixing. He's the biggest Satan, no? So PCC president is not an idiot. He will use him. Do all the setting, money will go to him. And this one will start again, dancing. That he has swindled the fund. That will be too late. Give those letters. Yeah, there are. So, one more thing. When these charges were made, the president is on record that I have told Gundu Rao to investigate into this charge. Where are the investigations? I asked him that also. Where are the investigations? You are giving investigation into the hands of a person who has been removed because of corruption, and you all bring him and now make him dance the way you all want him to do. That's it. There's anything left? Huh? Sorry, Dinesh Gundurao. Yeah. तुझं सगळं क्वेश्चन दो सगळ्या म्हाका न्हू सगळ्या तो
Okay.
Yeah.
I just have one question. Since you have brought up, opened this Pandora's box, again, I had even asked you earlier now also. What happened to that audio thing?
Forget about it. There's no comment. It's too late. I got fresh things. Please.
No, because
No.
you have.
See, I'll tell you.
No, why I'm.
I will tell again. I told you no. One, I have spoken on fire on the.
That's what.
1 minute. On the this, what you call that? Don't make me name anybody here. On the Margaon press conference, I was blacked out. So please, I have said also no comment on that. I am on this. I got courage to speak before the camera.
No.
I spoken yesterday. So don't bring something which is on audio. I got the courage to speak before the camera. I don't think there is any politician in Goa who has been courageous enough. I told you, I faced a 50 crore defamation. So don't put me into soups. Please let me be where I am.
So any deadline you are giving on these two questions?
What hell? I am already out of the party, man.
No.
What are three demands?
Huh?
They have to answer, you said, no?
I said they should do this.
Yeah, that's what.
To the people of Goa, not to me.
What are your
What am I in the party?
treasure?
No, I'm not talking about party.
They have to explain to the people of Goa. Straightforward. They don't want to explain, that is their problem. People will judge,
There are three demands. Lorenzo should explain why he is occupying chairmanship. That is
No. Why? I will come out.
That is
The chairman of the election of the campaign committee, the RTI is on the way. He's known as a man who can convert useful things into scrap. Yeah?
no. That
He's basically a scrap dealer. He'll make money on anything. That's another part. I will get you
I know that.
on RTI. Huh?
It has a criticism.
It is you.
That chairmanship of Goa Assembly, that is Speaker's decision. No?
RTI? You got it here? No.
म्हाका उलोवन दी the chairmanship of Goa Assembly ताका दिला पळय that is assembly decision, no Speaker's decision.
I said it no.
Yeah, but what is your problem? तुका दिलं तुका तर.
My question is,
They are MLAs.
my question is, under which protocol it was given to him? There should be a protocol, no?
They know.
I'm saying it is out of protocol. It's the discretion of the.
Speaker.
I said it. Why was it given to him to do settings? They will put the questions and you will answer. Therefore, he's got a this, no? The most number of questions. They work and write those questions. I challenge you to come for a debate. Organize a debate with
His
him.
English is bad.
Forget his English is bad. His common sense is very bad. See how you see yesterday what he spoke on the when he was caught. We are going there.
What are your three demands? एकूच सांगला तुम्ही.
I told you that he should explain under which protocol he got it, and why was the speaker so generous to him in 17 to give it to him, and why today he's still continuing with that luxury after becoming the working president and becoming the campaign man. What is he going to answer the people of Goa, man? They're going to question him when he goes around. Number one. Number two, he should explain to the people of Goa what made him go back without coming publicly. That what happened. It was my error for making charges against the PCC president, and therefore we have passed. I'm going back to the office. He said, yeah.
कोणता
And the guy said, "I'm going to put your letter on my."
कोणा दिल्या का?
देव म्हाका ताणें सांगलें
कितले घेतले
द पर्सन वॉज केप्ट इन चार्ज टूक द मनी.
कोण तो?
कितले रे
कोणे सांगले गिरीशान सांगले
ओवर PCC प्रेसिडेंट सांग म्हाका ताचें नांव पिड्यार केलेलें नाका. 1 minute. I wrote, even on the letter I wrote to him, I don't want to name him. Please, on the letter I don't want to name him. But you told me. Now let him deny, he did not tell me. You read my letter, Mare. I say, Mare. I don't want to name him.
मग त्याच्या नावावर हो उकलतो.
तो रेजिनल गेलो की फक्त फिक्सिंग करतो तो उकलतलो.
रेजिनल तो पेक्षा
हाँ? Then I'll explain. Otherwise, I'm cutting off the whole thing earlier.
एक
By your enthusiasm of trying to keep or hook me, one of the two.
एक ZP 25 लाख घेतला सगळे ZP कडच्यान घेतले असताना.
Please read my letter, brother. Please read. I made that charge, but it is done for considerations. What?
So overall कोई काँग्रेसीन सगळे सध्या सेटिंगात चालले अशें दिसता.
हाय करेक्ट.
तुका कितें दिसता आतां सगळें सांगता
कितें सांगू?
पण याचो सगळ्याचो सूत्रधार म्हणटा तो गिरीश
गिरीश
चोडणकर.
चोडणकर.
अरे इज द बॉस मरे. आतां सांग आनी एक सांगता तुका. राहुल गांधी येयलो हांगसर. What did he say? One statement he made. God deserves credible leaders. Did he name anybody? Did he name anybody? God deserves. Did he name anybody? To draw a lot of things, brother. You see. My question is, we will speak about that. No problem. But today's this, others we will mix up with the charge against me. Let them come out. No, I have to give them a chance to come out. No.
So what happened? What is the next future? Is it because
See,
there are speculations of TMC and
I have told you, and I am telling this to many good 1.5 month, 2 months. They are asking why you are silent, why you are silent, where are you going, where are you going? Today I am not going anywhere.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow if I get up, I don't know. No, I believe the casino and lathi charge. After you get lathi, and did one leader get that lathi? Show me. Did one leader get a lathi? His career has been built on an extortion. And that by impersonating himself as a government officer. Double crime.
Brother, how many such honest?
Disbanded. Pallavi, poor girl, she's a new one.
She wants to speak, but she's silent. Made silent.
Arif, he knew the whole thing. He was there. So every time the chairman of the media said 30%, PCC 30%, and everything you are not going to press print media will not cover up. So I'm a little worried also. We'll do it. Give me whatever.
समोरून केलं
Okay.
काँग्रेसी काय फ्युचर ना म्हणतात तुम्ही आता पुढे. हे मनीस आता
Say, come, let's go to Poire.
एंड ऑफ द डे
एक पण प्रजा
आता off the record, sir. आता off the record, sir.
They offer to
आता off the record, sir.
I will come out on that. I will come out.